Hello, 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 hello. Welcome to the Life and Transitions Experts Podcast. This is your host, Courtney Rollins, here with another edition of the Life and Transition Experts Podcast. It's funny how that works, right? Here on this channel, YouTube channel, and Facebook community, we really try to focus on people who are going through some of the toughest transitions in their life. And that's when someone's passing away. And that's when quite often there is the need, or actually every time there's a need to sell the affairs of someone who's passed away. And quite often that process is called the probate process, unless there are other legal instruments and things in place. And so folks who are going through the probate process as the personal representative, or perhaps you just have some vested interest in the estate, need support. And that's what we do. We try to support people who are going through that. I like to say that I deal with the property and the stuff. And Durham County is the space that I'm gaining my expertise and sharing that expertise with you all. I'm not an attorney, and I'm not a financial advisor, but I am sharing my knowledge with folks today. It's with folks and sharing my opinion. One thing that I want to, I want to share with folks today is maybe a slightly known or not as well known tip or information, and that is about trespassing signs. When someone passes away, quite often that person passes away. If they've left property, the property is left vacant. There can be some issues that arise, and you as the personal representative, you're responsible for managing and dealing with and taking care of the estate. So it's your responsibility to make sure you serve the best interest of the estate, and make sure you have the proper type of signage is so important. So let's get into a little bit more of the why here. So my screen's already shared. Ooh, I am getting better and better at this stuff here. So let's see. What happens if I do this right here? All right. So why we need no trespassing sign. Again, just a reminder that probate is the legal process of settling the affairs of a deceased party. So when someone passes away, there has to be a way to settle that estate, and that's the probate process. Now, here are 5 reasons why you may want to consider putting a no trespass sign up. One is to deterrence, to scare folks away, to let folks know, hey, this potential intruder, you are subject to law. It's a strong message to say that, hey, privacy is what's to be expected, and that will discourage many folks right there. So that's already great right there to have it. Just make sure you have almost like a scarecrow. Let people know, hey, this is no trespassing. All right. Another thing is the legal protection. Because that you've established a no trespassing sign, you've now established a legal boundary, and that's so important. Clear indication, unauthorized entrance is prohibited. This is crucial when you're trying to state any legal claims or disputes. So this is why it's so important that you put a no trespassing sign in those vacant properties. It demonstrates that you are maintaining control of the property, and that's going to help in the long run, especially if you find yourself in legal spaces or challenges. No squatting. No, we're not talking about weights, but again, one of the challenges and one of the reasons you want that legal protection is that you want folks to know that, hey, squatters are not allowed here, and this is going to help you fight some of the squatting laws. Depending on your jurisdiction, North Carolina, this allows you to clearly state that property is not abandoned, and so you're preventing any type of legal battles that you need to reclaim ownership of a home, or the proper ownership in the estate. So that's a very important prevention of squatting. It also preserves the property. Vacant houses are often subject to vandalism, theft, damage. So if you have a no trespassing sign, although it does show that, it indicates someone's there, it also puts more eyes on it that can help protect the property. So it may have more eyes on it now to know that it's vacant, but they also know, oh, this is also someone is protecting it, and that can help preserve the integrity, the structure of the property, and reduce costs down the road associated with any repairs or maintenance, property preservation. And then the last one, which may be the most important, is peace of mind. Having a no trespassing sign, you're following the legal steps properly. You know that you're being proactive. It allows you to think about other things you need to think about as you're going through the probate process. So no trespassing sign is an essential tool for the house. If you actually need a no trespassing sign that is legally properly structured and set up, contact me. I'll print you out or send you a PDF of a free sign that you can print off and use. It works everywhere. Or you can go down to your local anywhere, hardware, Home Depot, Lowe's, and check that out. All right. So hit me up if you need support with your probate as well, especially Durham County or anywhere in North Carolina, or really anywhere in the nation. I'm connected to a nationwide network of vetted professionals, and so it's we can find help for you. All right. So it's Friday where I'm posting this, and I hope you're having a great Friday. I hope you're having a beautiful day. This is the Life in Transitions Expert Podcast. I hope you let your light shine. I know you will. Cheers.